those people are dangerous, because what those people are doing is they're saying things like, oh, you don't need an accountant, just pay yourself this much salary, this much dividends, put it all through Xero, and away you go, right? Those people are dangerous, because people are following
Dave down the pub, isn't it?
They are Dave down the pub. It's exactly down the pub. It's not Dave down the pub. It's at Dave 106 finance tips on TikTok, right? But we all know people, and we're all good friends with people who are using TikTok to great results in bringing in clients and getting those inquiries. It's a hook, right? But this guy, this particular guy, he's not an accountant, he's not a bookkeeper, he has absolutely no training, and he was giving bad advice after bad advice after bad advice. The most common one that people post is oh, here's the most tax efficient way to pay yourself as a company director. But the difference here is that the ones that are accountants and are bookkeepers and do know what they're talking about, there's always something in the caption, contact me to find out more, and then they're going to speak to that individual person and look at their individual circumstance.